Hello everybody, hope that you're well today. Today I'm going to read you one of my stories, and this story is called Look Who's Here. Are you ready to listen? Okay. This story is all about your feelings. It says, when my feelings came to visit, I used to be a little rude. I'd tell them to be quiet, that I wasn't in the mood. I wouldn't let my feelings in. I'd tell them, go away. Though in the end it didn't work. My feelings always stayed. Oh no, worried Walter. Will you please just go away? Can't you see I'm busy and my friends is here to play? Not you, shy Cecil. It's really not the time. Everybody's watching and it's time to say my line. Then one day I heard a voice. It came from deep inside. Your feelings are your friends, it said. They're always on your side. Yes, my feelings are my friends, just here to visit for a while. I say welcome to my feelings now and greet them with a smile. Hello there, nervous Nelly. How are you today? I take a great big breath. I know that I'm okay. Welcome, sad Sandrina. Do you need a little cry? I give myself a hug. And I know that I am fine. Oh, angry Angelina. Is there something wrong? I talk about my feelings and I know that I am strong. So, when your feelings come to visit, remember that you're safe. Be patient with them all. Give them time and space. When your feelings come to visit, remember to be kind. They'll soon be on their way again. They're only passing by. Okay? The end. I hope you like that story. I wonder what feeling is visiting you today. Let's close our eyes and see. Sometimes we can notice a feeling in our tummy or around our hearts. Now you can open your eyes. So the feeling that's visiting me today is happy, but also I'm a little bit worried because I have a lot of work to do at the moment. But that's okay, because remember, in the story it said that all our feelings are okay. And sometimes we can have a mix of feelings. So remember, however you feel right now really is okay. But what's really important is to talk to someone about your feelings. Who do you think you could talk to about your feelings now? Can you think of someone? Before I go, I'm going to show you a little idea that you can do to help you with your feelings. So what you need to get is a heart. So a cardboard heart like this. And then you can get some different colour crepe paper. So imagine the different colour crepe paper is like all of your different types of feelings. You can decide which colour is which feeling. It's whatever you want. Or you could just colour in the feelings with a marker or with paper and stickers or even with emojis. And then you put in all the feelings that are in your heart today, in your heart. Remember that whatever feeling you have right now is okay. There are no bad feelings to have. But what can help us when we have our feelings come to visit is to take 3 breaths and then tell someone about how we feel. So let's take 3 breaths now, and then afterwards you can tell someone about how you feel today. Let's start with our breaths. Can you put your hand on your tummy? Now as we breathe, I want you to feel your tummy moving. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Now, put your hand on your heart and say to yourself, all my feelings are okay. Can you say that? Now say, I am just right. Give yourself a big hug. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Be a really good friend to yourself. Now, think of someone who you're going to talk about your feeling to. Who are you going to tell? Well done. That's great. Hope you enjoyed the story, and maybe you're going to make your heart, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.